Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share my favorite restaurant style salsa recipe. So let's get started. This recipe is so tasty and easy, guys. So I'm going to get started first by chopping up all of my fresh vegetables. So I'm using Roma tomatoes, I'm using a little bit of onion, of course jalapeno peppers, serrano pepper, and then I'm also going to use garlic and spices. So now I'm just going to add half of my roughly chopped vegetables to my blender. So I'm going to add onion, garlic, a little bit of tomato and jalapeno. And then I'm going to add 1 can of mild chilies. And I'm going to blitz everything in my blender to combine it. I'm a huge fan of layering in flavor, so one of my favorite things about this recipe is the addition of the fire roasted tomatoes. I love adding fire roasted tomatoes because it gives this salsa a nice smoky flavor. So now I add those fire roasted tomatoes along with the other half of my fresh vegetables, and then I'm going to add my spices, season it with a little bit of salt and pepper, and add my lime juice. And again, I'm just going to blend this to my desired consistency. And since this is a restaurant style salsa, I'm going to blitz this until it has a smoother texture. This salsa recipe is also really customizable, so feel free to adjust everything to your like and taste. So that means if you want to add more peppers, add more. If you want to add less, have it less spicy, add less. And if you want a chunkier salsa, by all means, just blend this a little bit less to your desired consistency. Well guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for joining me for another delicious recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later. Bye!